K-Poppa.
Hello there guys, K-Poppa's in the house once again for another reaction, and this one is Wave by Gfriend. Demon said that I missed this one because it's just a cover, and for a commercial it says here in the comments, Gfriend, American Tourister. Music video, let's see it. Back in 2016. No subs. So young, so fresh. I don't know how the original sounds, but to me it sounds like Gfriend, and I like that sailor. It's a sailor outfit, right? I'm not sure. You're just trying to find someone. Oh, that's a nice touch. That's a nice touch with the postcard and the wave. You're packing. Yeah. 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 Ooh. I dig it. I actually dig it. Even though it's a cover, it has that Gfriend feel to it, right? And it's very playful. They're on a trip, they're on the beach. Yuju with the voice, of course, and it feels like, the Gfriend that's very youthful, the youthful energy. You can really feel it with this song, and I really like it. I really dig it. Ooh, some of them are all white, some are white and blue, and yeah, they're on the beach and they took the sailor route. They took the sailor route. Yeah, and once again, it has that anime touch into it. It feels like I'm watching School Rumble. Do you know School Rumble? Maybe not, but it kind of reminds me of that. It's also very youthful. They're in the school, and of course, Gfriend, youthful also. They're on the beach, they're having fun, they're having a vacation. You see the look on Shinbi there. She always looks angry. Most of the time. Not always. Nice entry. Ooh, it also has that like a Sailor Moon vision of Escaflowne, I don't know, kind of feeling to it, right? It's girly because it's very girly. It's girly, it's summer, you're having fun, you're playing with the wave, you're making waves. Dun, dun, dun. Wow. Choreo with the bags. Ooh, that's it. American Tourister with Gfriend. Wave. I actually cannot find a dance practice of this, or maybe I just suck at looking. I'm bad at looking for it, but I really can't find it, so I have to settle for a live performance. It just said live performance.
언제나 나의 마음은 훌쩍 떠나고 싶어.
Very cute, very cute. And I think, is this the first live performance from Gfriend that I see? Right? This is the first time for me to see them in a live performance, right? I think so.
시원한 여름의 바다로 푸푸른 가슴 안고 복잡한 일들 모두 다 잊어버리고 너와 함께면 어디라도 좋은 걸.
And I actually like it that the choreo for this one is a little bit lighter, right? It's toned down, not the usual complicated choreo of Gfriend with their dominoes and their incredible movements, right? Like a school of fish, right? The discipline.
시원한 파도 소리에 괜히 설레이는 걸. 두근대는 나의 마음을 가눌길 없는 내 눈빛 뜨거운 태양 아래 바다로 떠나가자. 가슴이 쌀맞으면 두 손 꼭 잡고 걸으면 어떨까. 그렇게 그리던 파란 하늘 아래 우리들 눈이 부시게 아름다운 바닷가 푸른 바다로 모든 걸 던져버릴게.
Her voice always popping.
너무나 소중해 내겐 꿈만 같은 일인걸 두 눈을 감고 너의 어깨에 기대어 설레는 바다의 향기 우리 둘을 반겨줘 와우.
Yeah, I dig how relaxed this one is, right? Because it's a cover, it's for a commercial basically, but you still see the Gfriendness.
와우. 반짝이는 별빛들이 아름답게 내려와 지금 이 순간 내겐 꿈만 같은 일인걸 시원한 밤바람 맞으면 두 손 꼭 잡고 걸으면 어떨까 그렇게 그리던 같은 하늘 아래 우리 영원히 함께하고 싶은 건 나의 눈 속에 변하지 않길 바랄게 하얀 하늘 위에 우리가 함께하는 날들이 너무나 행복해 내겐 꿈만 같은 일인걸
Super cute. Why is Shinbi not completing the heart? What's she doing? Look at the Erin. Why is she so far away? She's teasing. Yeah, she's teasing. So, yeah, Gfriend with Wave live performance. I don't know where. There's nothing in the description, but anyways, Gfriend music video and live performance. What's next? Next is I don't know. Next would be, I think I'm gonna watch the Japanese version of Me Gustas too. So yeah, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time for more Gfriend. K-Poppa out.